Hello everyone, welcome to the AutoCAD full course for students. In this lesson, I will explain model space and basic tools in AutoCAD. This topic is very important because many beginners feel confused at this stage, so please listen carefully until the end. First, let us understand what model space is. Model space is the main working area in AutoCAD. It is the place where we create our actual drawings. All drawings in AutoCAD are created in model space. House plans, floor plans, layouts, and designs are all drawn here. One very important rule to remember is this. In model space, we always draw in real size, which means 1:1 scale. For example, if a wall is 3,000 millimeters long in real life, we draw it as 3,000 millimeters in model space. Model space is like a large empty sheet with unlimited area. You can zoom in, zoom out, and move freely while working. Now let us talk about a common mistake students make. Many beginners try to scale drawings inside model space. This is incorrect. In model space, drawings should always be created in actual size. Scaling is done later during printing, not while drawing. Now let us understand what basic tools are. Basic tools are the commands we use to create and edit drawings inside model space. Think of it this way. Model space is the place where we work, and tools are what we use to do the work. Without tools, we cannot draw anything. Basic tools can be divided into three main categories. The first category is drawing tools. Drawing tools help us create shapes. Some common drawing tools are line, circle, rectangle, polyline, and arc. These tools help us create the basic structure of a drawing. The second category is modified tools. Modified tools help us edit or correct drawings. Some important modified tools are move, copy, trim, extend, offset, and rotate. These tools help save time and make drawings clean and professional. The third category is precision tools. Precision tools help us draw accurately. Important precision tools include object snap, ortho mode, and polar tracking. These tools ensure correct alignment and accuracy in drawings. Now remember this important point. Model space is the place where we draw, and tools are what we use to draw in that place. When you understand this relationship, AutoCAD becomes simple and easy to learn. At this stage, do not worry about layouts or printing. Your focus should only be on understanding model space and learning basic tools properly. In this lesson, we learned about model space and basic tools in AutoCAD. In the next lesson, we will learn mouse, keyboard, and navigation controls in AutoCAD. Thank you for listening. See you in the next lesson.